Hello and welcome to Gizmo Guru. If you've been following technology, you know that TVs are getting bigger and better. HD screens are the norm, and when that happens, using your 13, 15 or 17-inch monitor just feels silly when you could be using a 32, 48 or even 72-inch TV without paying a huge premium for it. Connecting your TV and your computer is as simple as running an HDMI cable between them. But what's important is operating it. Web browsing and movie watching are really fabulous on the big screen, but keeping a big wireless keyboard and mouse in your lap is not really convenient. Most of us have tablets or smartphones these days too, and that's where TeamViewer comes in. It's a free program which you install on your computer, and then you need to create a free account. Once you've done that and logged on, you download the app. Now, we've already installed TeamViewer on the remote desktop, so let's just show you how this works. Enter the password which you saved before, and just like that, you've got the desktop right on your iPad. So now you can use the touchscreen to directly click on things, and the results are great. So for example, I've got my computer plugged into a TV and I want to get my favorite website on the big screen. Now, I could get that keyboard and type it all in, or just use the iPad. So I just tap over here, okay? And one tap and it'll launch the browser. Then I tap over here and bring up a keyboard. And I just type in whichever page I want. Let's say I type in Facebook. And just like that, I've got it right there on the TV screen without having to do anything extra. Now, if that wasn't enough, there's another use which might have become clear to some of you by now. I've got access to my remote computer on my iPad. Now, that means that I can run programs on the computer which won't run on the iPad. So I could run the full version of MS Word, for example, or run MS Outlook without having to, resort to apps which don't really give the same experience. So for example, this is Outlook running on an iPad. And there's a final plus to all this. It's all working on the internet. So while this is great for TV use, the added benefit is that I have stuff on my computer at home, let's say, and I can play all that stuff in my office with just a few taps. Let's just show you again. I've got a movie on my desktop. So I'm just going to double click on the movie on my desktop at home. There we go. So this movie is actually running on my computer at home, but it's streaming right across to the iPad. That's pretty cool, right? Should keep you going for a week. Thanks for watching.